Siyabonga Speaker lithuba lokukhuluma. Siyabonga nokuthi bahlonishwa abafuna kusibambisa. Vele sisebenza ndawonye sonke. So we are open to anybody wanting to come in and look. Silitiko, we are always open to the assistance. Lokunengi lo sokushido Honorable Speaker, ngafuna sikucheck ukuthi kukhona na. Nalokuthi ke le committee tawufakwa nako I-check for Parliament and ensure ukuthi they satisfy themselves of what is happening in the institution. We have nothing to hide and we are happy to be able to be supported. Lesikwati ukuthi as a ministry ukuthi EPTC is an engineering-based company. Like nama projects, it hires a lot of temporary employees. Ithi ngingaphelele le project labangeke bese baya emakhaya. Lesikwati futhi as a ministry is that as we speak, EPTC in 210 temporary employees working on various projects. Laba retrenchwago or right sizing bang 30. Le kuti kwafika mabhange nama loans, Honorable Speaker, we'll have to look into that. Really, one is not aware of that kind of behavior. Ngiyabonga futhi nokuthi bahlonishwa are with us on the fact that we do need to ensure ukuthi lama institutions ethu are self-sustaining. Because lokunye le ngivamisa ukubutwa lapha Honorable Speaker ukuthi kwenziwa yini lokuthi le data yakho maziya idule kangaka bese labanye abanginike amaphepha lapho emaveni ukuthi we are the 5th most expensive and the 7th most expensive. Nale wage bill nasithenga lento akasifani sithenga incane, but we have to cover the costs. And at some point we've got to make that decision. Ngibongile nje ukuthi mhlambe kuthiwe bukola badzala kodwa ke IDPM ayibe incane. Ayibe incane. Nekuthi ke tindzaba te corruption nekuthi kuthengwa tindwa kanjani. I'm always open to having assistance in those areas. If kukhona lokwentekile la kubonakala khona ukuthi sesigangile, please call us to order, please assist us ukuthi singadli imali yamaswati that they work so hard for. It's not in our interest for people to go home and not have work. But we must make decisions about certain commercial things. Ngoba lokunye masingakwendi, then I would hope ukuthi for lesikhashana ngikhona lapha angiphindwe ngibudwe ngenzabe yama-costed data. We must make some decisions. Bengati ke ngivena namuhla lokuthi uhulumende is supposed to hire everybody. I thought we were supposed to be at least be able to wash our faces and cover costs. Ngoba if those parastatals, Honorable Speaker, can at least cover their costs, then it's a lesser burden on the main government. So that is the drive we're getting to, without disrespecting anyone, without anguthandle ukuthi bantu bangajelwa in time, anguthandle ukuthi bantu bahambiswe ngendlela le ngathi ibhlungwana. I think people should be given time and be given planela for their own lives. I think that's unfair if that has happened. But I really welcome the idea of help. I really welcome the idea ukuthi I think we're an open book, but I certainly hope Putin does bambisa ngoba the parastatal environment needs to be professional. It needs to help main government. And if we're going to do that, it helps the rest of the nation as well. If we're going to do that, Honorable Speaker, I hope going forward, we are also open to understanding some of the challenges they do have as far as wage bills and such issues. But over 90% of what we get from Ministry of Finance goes to the wage bill, and something sometimes has to give. But I'm very open to this conversation, and I'm also happy we can continue communicating. But I'd love for the committee to be able to open up as soon as possible and help the ministry and help the institution itself. Thank you.
Sibonge, Minister.